How's everyone doing today? And welcome back to Sinister Customs. Today I've got something a little special for you. I'm sure most of you have seen Zaggert's 17-mile-an-hour pass with his C10. Try to get 20 out of mine. Not sure if I can, but definitely going to give it a shot. So, he's running the 52-tooth spur gear and a 56-tooth pinion on the 9500 kV surpass rocket motor with the furitek ESC. He's running Fly Sky. I've got Spectrum. That shouldn't be much of a difference. Biggest thing is I am running the mofo tiny little spur gear. So should be quite a bit quicker with that. The only other big difference is I'm still running the stock brass worm gears. The transmission gears are all stock other than what you see. Running the mofo motor mount. The adjustable motor mount, which I did have to space the motor back a little bit because that little sleeve does not fit inside the motor mount. But again, all works fine. All the gearing lined up good. I did, however, it's still meshing a little bit, but I did strip that gear out just because you're plastic versus metal. You'll see the abuse I gave this thing, and yeah, it didn't want to last. It lasted a good majority of the day. I probably drove it for probably 4 hours or so until it finally went out. But yeah, it's definitely fun. Definitely needs to be wider, a little bit heavier on the bottom to keep it from rolling. I'm debating on just switching the motor completely over into the Gladiator here, which is already wider. It's already got the Trill overdrive in it. Right now it's running the 6000 kV Dynamite, which is just fine. It's just not quite as powerful as that 9500 kV, even though that's quite a bit smaller. But yeah, definitely I'd pick that over the Dynamite any day. This thing, it rips. So yeah, let's get to seeing some more video of it ripping.